Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Butterstorch from South Park, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment in this cool skin. It's got the robot kind of skin here, so Butters is at the top around here. It's going to go in from the top. I'm going to draw his hair, so it's centre parting. So I'm going to go in the middle, just draw a nice little line there. Then I'm going to come around to the left, draw a nice little curve, just come back a little bit. Then I'm going to draw out again and in. And then finally, kind of like a little kick of the hair down there, comes around and just joins up to that central bit we created. On the other side, it's pretty similar. We're going to kick out to the right, so come out this way here. Then I'm going to kick out, bring out a longer bit of hair there, come back in. And then we've got this extra little bit at the bottom here, sort of the parting area. So bring your pen around, up, let's just join that up like that. We've got that hair in the middle there. Next up, what I'll do is draw his round face. So I'll come round like this, draw a nice circle. So probably from about this point here, just gonna come around nice and steady. Just go around. Draw that nice circular head there. Right, now I've got that in, what I'm going to do is draw the eyes. So I've got one like oval this way, one oval over here. So I go from about here, from about the centre. Just come around, give yourself a nice wide oval. Join it up. And we'll do the same on the other side. So we'll go from that middle point about here, come around down there, and around and in, like two little eggs together, I guess. Then just gonna pop a little dot here, little dot here. We've got those eyes in. Okay, he's got a worried expression on his face, so just get a little curve of his mouth here, just a little upside down frown. And to accentuate that, just pop some eyebrows in. So I've got a little line here, like a diagonal going up there, and a diagonal going up, probably from about here, up like that, like gives him that worried expression. Okay, I'm gonna go in there now. I'm gonna draw the curves of his arms and his little mitts. So I'm gonna draw a little curve from about here, come around like that. And on the other side, I'm gonna come around, nice little curve there. And then he's got his little mitts on, so I've got a little thumb area there, mitt there, bring it around, and over here, probably from about there, I'm gonna curve it to a little thumb, come around there. What he's doing is holding his joystick, so I'll draw that in a moment. Little seat belt either side here, little belt system, so just gonna draw in little black lines like that, just in the center, and then just a little line down there where his jacket is. What I'll do is fill in the rest of that in a minute when I've got his hands in, because the hands and the arms coming around and up, hands there. So he's sitting in a big old seat, so I'm going to draw this padded seat around his head next. So what I've got is a little curve coming around there, a little curve, the seat coming around there, it's like the head part, and it comes down either side, so like a big old bumpy bit coming right down this way. Got a big old bumpy bit coming right down this way here. There's a little cut in the middle where the colour changes, so I'm just going to pop that in there. And then there's a little bump where the seat is, so I'm just going to draw a little bump there, a little bump there. And what I'll do, I'll come back, like I say, I'll come back in a minute. When I've got the hands in, I can just do a little bit more detail, but that's good for now. So let's go and do his shoulders. So we've got little, kind of like little cardboard gun turrets on his shoulders. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and draw a nice little cross in the middle of those. Let's just colour those little circles in, just ink them up. And then I can draw little box elements around it. So I'm just going to draw a little square around that. go. And then there's little bits of cardboard that just stick out from the edges of this. So I'm just gonna draw some little rectangles sort of sticking up. 2 little bits sort of coming up here. There we go. Do the same sort of thing on the other side, so right over this way. 1, just colour that in, 2, 3, 4. Again, what I'll do is just put in a little cross, and then I'll just go around, just draw like a little wonky square all the way around that. And again, just got the little bit of cardboard around there, so just some little bits of cardboard, like 2 little bits sticking up here and coming out this way here, like that around there. Maybe these are just a little hint bigger, so they just lean in and look similar to the other side. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Now, he has got his robot arms here. It's like almost like little metal containers. So what I'm going to do is just draw like really wonky, elongated arm bit like that. Just go right around here. There's a little cut going along here. There's actually a bit of tape taping it together, so just draw a little bit there. Just draw in the middle there and around, like a little metal fast food container, all wonky there, and then the top of his arm sort of goes up there. That container as well, just draw little wonky bits around it, and it's like the kind of metal sort of fast food containers of these little sort of line little bits around there. There we go, that's pretty cool. On this side, really similar. So again, we'll go from the top here, just a nice little wonky container, just wiggle the pen around, nice and loose sort of forearm look. Come around here, just draw a little curve in there, and then we can come around in the middle. A little bit of tape, come around there, and again we can just pop in some little like crease bits of metal, and I'll just draw a little wonky bit there, along there. A little bit of a diamond just on the top here, so I'm just going to draw a couple little diamonds. We'll colour those in yellow later on just for colour. And again, just a little bit of the arm, upper arm there. Maybe there's a little bit of elbow sort of coming around here. Maybe we'll just colour that in with the ink. Same thing here. Just come around there, just give him a bit of elbow. Now I've got those bits in, I can just have a look at these hands. So I'm going to come out from this middle bit here. I'm going to come up and around, just draw a little curve for the fingers coming around here, and then I'm just going to go draw a line underneath there. There's a few little knuckle duster bits, so I'm just going to draw little circles there, maybe some little lines coming out for the fingers, and then the bits of blue tape on this side. So I'm just going to sort of draw in a couple of lines there for the blue tape. Over this side, same thing, I'm going to come out from about here, just bring it up to that mid area, around, let it touch the other glove, around there, up, and just bring it back into that fast food bit. Again, a couple of little curves, little circle ovals for the fingers. Maybe I'll just draw a couple of little lines in there for the finger areas there. And then we'll just draw a couple of curved lines for the blue tape going around that. Now I've got that in, I can just go and draw his little joystick. So I'm going to go draw a little line across those hands, a little circle there, which is like a classic red joystick, and then a couple of little lines sort of comes around here where this seat is. So it's going to come in around here, just draw a line there, maybe a line about there. We've got that seat area in. What I might do as well, this little curved area, we'll just block it in with an ink, make it really simple for ourselves. So we come in there, and then you almost just see a little curve going around, his legs coming in. Cool, next thing on Butters is his torso area. I've got a microwave around the center here, so that's just going to be a rectangular look. So I'm going to draw a line down here, down there. Let's just draw a line across there. It's kind of taped up, so I'm going to do sort of 2 slightly diagonal lines coming across it, like that. Maybe a little line here where we can draw a circle for the little end of the microwave where you can do the timer. Then we can just pop a little window in just behind that tape. And then there's probably a couple little bits there for the tape to add in. Now as we go to the legs, sort of down here, this sort of mid-section where the hips are, there's a load of tin foil. So just going to draw wobbly lines like in between there, so it's got a little bit of space where the microwave is, and we'll just go where it's torn, just zigzag it up and down like that. What I will do is just put in some messy bits there where this tin foil is like all creased up. There we go. Now it's got sort of robotic legs coming out, kind of corrugated here. So what I'm going to do either side of this is just draw some little curved rectangular bits around the legs like that. There we go. Then I'm going to come up, curve there, and curve here where the leg goes up to the edge. And then what I'll do is just draw in some little robotic sort of pipelines across like that. There we go. Upper parts of the legs then. Again, there's some cling film, some foil, going around them. So I'm going to draw 2 lines sticking down, 1, 2, and then 1, 2 here. Maybe a little block of the blue tape again. And then if I go from about here, it's got the foil wrapped around. So I'm just going to draw a wobbly line, curve around, wobbly line up there, bring it around here, and again, I'll just draw some little wiggly lines there to show it's all sort of creased up. Same thing here, sort of come out a little bit, bring your pen down, wobble it around here, join it up, and again, little crease bits, just a few dots in there makes a big difference. All right, I've got his kind of like shin areas, lower legs, some big containers here. So what I'm going to do is come out like this, wobble your pen out a bit. It's all creased up, old containers. Come down here, and these join in the middle. So I'm going to draw a little line coming down here. Now this bit, just a little curved rectangle because there's a bit of tape on it, and continue the line. Maybe there's a couple of little lines either side. Then I can just continue this bit to about here. Now let's go all the way to the edge, all the way up here and in. And then I can just draw an edge to it. So just round it down to about there. A few little creases on this again, a bit more uniform, just draw some little lines in for detail. And then I can do the other side. So I'm going to come in sort of the middle of the leg, sort of in the leg first, come in, down like that, around, and then get to the middle bit, kind of come up, piece of tape, again we're just blocking a little rectangle, again just bring up your pen here to the center of that foil, just draw a couple of little lines, just a hint of that, be nice and loose either side, and then I'm going to continue this line at the bottom here, round here, out, bring your pen up and around there. Again, we've got like this little curve bit here on this side, so I'm just going to bring the pen in down there, and then we're going to just draw some little crease lines in like that, okay? Finally, a little bit more foil for the feet, so I've got some foil coming right out down here, zigzag it around down there and up. Same thing here, we can come out sort of from here, bring it down, sort of zigzag it up there. Draw some little crease bits in, keep it consistent. And then there's little paper cups, I think. Ooh, little paper cups going around. So I'm just going to draw a little circular bit coming down, curve it, another one there, curve it, maybe we'll just add a little piped end to it. Same thing here, a little curve down there, a little curve down here, nice and loose. a couple of little lines, and then we're done. Here we go, there's Butterscotch from South Park, also featuring in Fortnite, pretty cool robot skin. Let me know what you think in the comments, let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again really soon. Alright, bye for now.